students, how are you? I hope you all are fine, happy and healthy. Welcome to our Chate group of online education in LKG class. Students, our today's class is EVS. Tell me students, what we learned in our previous class? We learned lesson number 6. Which is this lesson? Do you remember or not? Yes, tell me. We learned our lesson number 6, My Toys. And today we are going to learn lesson number 7, At Play. Shall we start, students? Very good. Let's start. See, student, this is our lesson number 7. EVS lesson number 7, At Play. Do you remember in this subject what we learned in our previous classes? We learned myself. We learned this is me. In this lesson what we learn? We learn information about Anita's. Okay. Then what we learn? Then we learn my family means Anita's family, my home, Anita's home. Okay. And my toys. What we learn in that lesson? We learn information about Anita's toys. Okay. Now today we are going to learn lesson number 7, At Play. Okay. प्ले म्हणजे खेळणे. ओके, खेळताना. See student, look this picture. What we see in this picture, students? Yes, this is, which is this building? This is school building. See, yes, CHOOL, school. School म्हणजे काय? You know very well. School म्हणजे शाळा. Okay. See, this is school building. What is this? This is door from where we enter in the school. Okay, student? See, who is she? She is Anita. Okay? She is playing with her friend. See, who are they? They are her friends. They are her friends. म्हणजे हे कोण आहेत? अनिताचे मित्र आहेत. ओके. अनिता प्लेज विथ हर फ्रेंड्स इन स्कूल. काय सांगितले बघा? अनिता प्लेज विथ हर फ्रेंड्स इन स्कूल. दिस इज अनिता स्कूल. शी इज प्लेइंग विथ हर फ्रेंड्स. ओके, इन स्कूल. सी, at school, she play with her friends on their school ground. Okay. They play blind man's buff. म्हणजे काय? ते काय खेळतात बघा? They play blind man's buff. म्हणजे काय? आंधळी कोशिंबीर. ओके. तुम्हाला आवडतं की नाही हा गेम? तुम्ही पण खेळता ना? Yes. On our school playground, we play lot of games. Which are they, students? They are cricket, kho-kho, running, frog jump, football, and what? Yes? Yes, student? Badminton. Okay? Yes. These all games are outdoor games. These all games are outdoor games. Okay? We play outdoor games on ground. आपण आउटडोर गेम कुठे खेळतो? ग्राउंडवर खेळतो. आपण जर आउटडोर गेम घरात खेळायला लागलो तर काय होईल? मम्मीचा ओरडा खावा लागेल. हो की नाही? यस. अनिता प्लेज विथ हर फ्रेंड्स इन स्कूल. यस. सी, नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. दिस इज आवर नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. व्हॉट वी सी हिअर? Anita plays with her brother at home. Anita plays with her brother at home. Okay. She is Anita and he is her brother. Okay, Anita and her brother. Okay, students, now tell me, after going to home, you play with whom? Yes, you play with your brother or your sister or your neighbor friends. Is it? Yes. अगदी जर तुम्हाला कोणी नाही सापडलं तर तुम्ही कुणाला पकडता? मम्मीला. हो की नाही? After going to home, you play with your brother, your sister and your neighbor friends. Okay? Yes. Anita is playing. Anita plays with her brother at home. काय खेळतायत बघा हे? कुठला गेम खेळतायत? Which is this game, students? This is Ludo. Which is this game? This is Ludo. Now tell me, Ludo is indoor game or outdoor game? Yes, Ludo is indoor game. Is it? Yes. We play indoor games at home. We play indoor games at home. Which are they? Now tell me, which are indoor games? They are carom, Ludo, cards, okay, and skipping, basketball, chess, and snake and ladder. Okay, these are indoor games which play in house or home. Okay?
ती बास्केटबॉल वगैरे कोर्ट मध्ये खेळतात.
घरात असते ना.
ठीक.
Okay, students? Now see. What we see in this picture? We see Anita plays with her friends in the park. Anita plays with her friends in the park. See. Who is she? She is Anita. Okay. And they are her friends. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? This is park. Okay. This is park. आपण होमवर्क झाल्यानंतर संध्याकाळी पार्कमध्ये खेळायला जातो की नाही? तुम्ही जाता की नाही? होमवर्क कंप्लीट केल्यानंतर मम्मी तुम्हाला नेते ना पार्कमध्ये? यस. दिस इज पार्क. Anita plays with her friends in the park. अनिता पार्कमध्ये कुणासोबत खेळते? तिच्या मित्रांसोबत खेळते. हो की नाही? अनिता पार्कमध्ये तिच्या मित्रांसोबत खेळते, मैत्रिणीसोबत खेळते. अनिता प्ले with her friends in the park. Okay? Anita plays with her friends in the park. Now tell me, student, who is she? She is Anita and he is Anita's friend and she is also Anita's friend. Okay? And they are playing in the park and they are Anita's friends. Okay? Now tell me, what is this? This is park. This is park. Then Anita play with her friends. Okay? आपण पार्कमध्ये जातो की नाही खेळायला? तुमची मम्मी सुद्धा तुम्हाला पार्कमध्ये नेते ना संध्याकाळी? यस. वी गो टू पार्क अँड प्ले देअर. ओके स्टुडंट? समजलं सगळ्यांना? I will repeat again for you. See, what we see in this picture? We see this is school. This is Anita's school. And she is Anita. Who is she? She is Anita. And they are Anita's friend. Now tell me what they are doing. They are playing. Okay? See, Anita plays with her friends in school. अनिता स्कूलमध्ये कोणासोबत खेळते? सांगा बघू. अनिता स्कूलमध्ये तिचे जे स्कूल फ्रेंड्स आहेत ना, स्कूलमधले जे फ्रेंड्स आहेत त्यांच्यासोबत खेळते. अनिता प्लेज विथ हर फ्रेंड्स इन स्कूल. These are her school friend. Okay. Now tell me, which game we play on our ground, on our school ground? We play all outdoor games on a playground. Which are they? Now tell me, which are outdoor games? They are Kho-Kho, Kabaddi and Cricket, Football. Okay, students? Yes. Now tell me, after going to home. Yes, after going to home, we play with our brother and sister. Yes, Anita plays with her brother at home. अनिता घरी कुणासोबत खेळते? तिच्या भावासोबत. ब्रदर म्हणजे कोण? भाऊ. नाउ टेल मी, which is this game, student? See, which is this game? Yes, this is Ludo. Do you like to play Ludo? No? Yes, every children like Ludo game. Okay? Now Anita plays with her brother at home. Which game they are playing? They are playing Ludo. Okay? After going to home, you play with whom, student? You play with your brother, sister and your neighbor friends. तुमच्या शेजारी तुमचे मित्र मैत्रिणी असतात की नाही? आपण घरी गेल्यानंतर त्यांच्यासोबत खेळतो. हो ना? And we play with our mama also. Okay? Yes. At home we play all indoor games. At home we play all indoor games. Which are they? They are कॅरम. तुम्ही कॅरम खेळता का नाही घरी? आता लॉकडाऊन पिरियड मध्ये आपण काय करत होतो? आपण सगळे इनडोअर गेम खेळत होता. तुम्ही हो की नाही? कॅरम, लुडो, कार्ड्स म्हणजे काय? पत्ते. ओके? यस. स्किपिंग, बास्केटबॉल, स्नॅक अँड लेडर. ओके? ऑल दीज आर indoor games. Now see what we see in this picture. We see this. What is this, student? This is park. Anita plays with her friends in the park. Anita स्कूल मध्ये कोणासोबत खेळते? तिच्या स्कूल फ्रेंड सोबत. घरी आल्यानंतर कोणासोबत खेळते? with her brother or sister. ओके? आणि ग्राउंडवर गेल्यानंतर किंवा पार्कमध्ये गेल्यानंतर ती कोणासोबत खेळते? ती तिच्या मित्रांसोबत खेळते, मैत्रिणीसोबत खेळते. ओके? Anita plays with her friends in the park. See, this is park and these are Anita's friends. She is Anita. Okay, students, I hope you understood this lesson. Okay, students, in this way we completed our EVS lesson number 7, which is yes, at play. And I hope you understood this lesson. Now, students, we stop here and we will meet again in our next class. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye, students. Have a nice day.